The Safoh family and the Kristo Asafoh Church have confirmed a sad news. On September 11, 2025, Apostle Dr. Kwajoh Safo Kantanka passed away, leaving behind a multifaceted legacy as a spiritual leader, teacher, inventor, entrepreneur, and national innovator. A significant life well lived. Apostle Dr. Kwajoh Safo Kantanka was a true pioneer, celebrated for his innovative spirit, technological advancements, and philanthropic endeavors. His contributions to Ghana's industrial and technological landscape are immense. Automotive innovations. Kantanka Automobile, founded by Apostle Safoh in 1994, was a groundbreaking achievement. The company produced vehicles designed for African conditions, including the Ormama SUV and Onantafu pickup truck. These vehicles were manufactured using locally sourced components and were not only sold domestically, but also exported to other West African countries. Now let's talk about agricultural innovations. Apostle Safoh's innovations extended to agriculture, where he developed tools and machinery to enhance farming efficiency. His goal was to promote self-sufficiency and reduce reliance on imported technology. Moving on to philanthropic innovations through the Kristo Asafoh mission, Apostle Safoh implemented various philanthropic initiatives, including education, healthcare, and vocational training programs. He believed in empowering individuals and communities to become self-reliant. When it comes to entertainment, Apostle Kwajoh Safo founded the Kristo Asafoh Drama group that thrilled many Ghanaians in the 90s through the 2000s. Apostle Dr. Kwajoh Safo Kantanka's legacy is a testament to his innovative spirit, perseverance, and commitment to Ghana's development. He will be remembered as a true visionary, a champion of African ingenuity, and a devoted servant of humanity.